To the casual cook, a kitchen scale might seem like just another fussy gadget designed to clutter your cabinets. But the best kitchen scale will streamline your meal prep, allow you to step up your baking skills, and cut down on your kitchen chores in one fell swoop. There are many kitchen scales to choose from with different features and prices. I researched and compiled a list of the best kitchen scales from top brands. These products can help people like you. Check the description for pricing and details. Let's get into the video. Number 1. Escali Primo Digital Kitchen Scale. The Escali Primo Digital Kitchen Scale is a staple in the EPI test kitchen, and it consistently comes out on top in our product testing. The body and weighing platform are made of lightweight molded plastic, and the interface has just 2 buttons on and off switch that doubles as a tare button and another button that toggles the digital display between grams, ounces, and pounds. As a result, this digital scale is intuitive to operate right out of the box. The Escali has a capacity of 11 pounds, which is plenty for most home cooking and baking needs, whether you're weighing apples for pie, portioning out burger patties, or measuring flour for sourdough loaves. Since the elevated weighing platform is offset from the control panel, you can measure into oversized bins or bowls without having to bend down to see the screen too. 4 small rubberized feet keep the oval base stable on your work surface, and it's slim enough to stash away in just about any cabinet or drawer. Number 2. Etexity Luminary Smart Nutrition Scale. This smart scale from Etexity was promising out of the box. With a 22-pound maximum weight, easy-to-clean water-resistant stainless steel weighing platform, a multitude of unit settings, and Bluetooth-enabled app compatibility. It's also rechargeable, and you can set the auto-off function for anywhere between 30 to 300 seconds using the VESync app. In the end, though, it was this scale's lack of accuracy and consistency that kept it from earning our seal of approval. It would read anywhere from 2 to 6 grams for each 5-gram nickel we placed on it, and that variation would also occur when removing and re-adding weight from the platform. All in all, this is a solid option if you're intent on using a scale for nutrition tracking, that is, if you value being able to seamlessly log your measurements and don't mind if you're off by a couple of grams. But for the price, we'd rather opt for the ultra-accurate, more straightforward Escali. Number 3. Zwilling Digital Food Scale. The Zwilling Digital Food Scale was the sleekest and most stylish kitchen scale we tested. There are no buttons anywhere to be seen. The lighted digital display is embedded under the glass weighing platform. This scale has double the maximum capacity of many other models like the Etexity Luminary. It can handle up to 22 pounds, and it also comes with a USB cord for recharging the battery. But in our testing, it wasn't quite as accurate as some of the other scales, and we found the lack of buttons frustrating. When we tried to try it out, the scale measured the weight of our finger press instead. Additionally, to switch between units of measurement, you need to lift the whole thing and press a button-like tab on the underside of the scale. Number 4. Amazon Basics Kitchen Scale. Whoever is manufacturing the Amazon Basics Kitchen Scale seems to know what they're doing. It's similar to the Escali in many ways. It has a plastic base, an unlit LCD screen, and an 11-pound capacity. It also has just 2 buttons, one for switching between grams and ounces, pounds, and another that controls the tare function and turns the scale on and off. Its stainless steel weighing platform is just a little larger than the Escali's at 7 inches, and we found it to be comparable performance-wise. We like this scale so much that we used to recommend it as a budget pick, but that was when it was $9. Now that it's priced at $18, some of the issues like the unsealed buttons that make it slightly annoying to clean or the occasional inaccuracy keep us from giving it a top spot. Number 5. Greater Goods Digital Pocket Scale. For something so little, Greater Goods Digital Pocket Scale does a lot, but it's small. The stainless steel platform is slightly smaller than 3 by 3 inches, and the whole scale can legitimately fit into just about any pocket, yet it can provide measurements down to 0.1 gram and has additional units of measurement including ounces, carats, grains, troy ounces, and even pennyweight. But it's just too small to use in the kitchen for anything bigger than a cup of flour. And with a max capacity of 750 grams, a home baker is just not going to get much use out of this thing unless they're using it as a coffee scale. The Greater Goods Espresso Scale is functional and fashionable. It features a matte black finish, chrome weighing sensor, and a high-contrast, reverse backlit LCD screen perfect for weighing in high and low light. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know the product price, please check my video description. Looking for any queries, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.